Hi, I'm Kim, and this is Ferrisburg, the American kestrel.
Hi, I'm Caitlin, and this is Turt, the wood turtle.
Hi, I'm Anna, and this is Bridport, the rough-legged hawk.
Hi, my name is Anastasia, and this is Miami, the eastern screech owl. And we are excited to come to your school,
Fair,
Festival,
resort,
Library,
community event, and virtual classroom for an up-close encounter with our animal ambassadors.
choose from topics like reptile rendezvous,
Give a hoot.
superpower critters,
and advanced raptors to engage and delight your audience during an up-close animal encounter.
Book your animal outreach today by visiting vinsweb.org.
See you soon.